Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how this should look because I know it's a lot of new things at once. You should all be seeing right now this post that is on your classroom. You have a classwork document that you should open, and in the document it's going to tell you all of the things that you need. So you need blank paper. If you have a notebook, that's best. A pen or a pencil so that you can work. Clear workspace, so a spot for you to be doing your work, and you need to have a positive, confident attitude. This is something that you guys are going to have to be doing independently, but obviously I'm here to help you if you need it. So today's websites are going to be this classwork document, which is already open, and the answer submission form. You can open it from here, or you'll see that it's actually right here in your Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and open that up. It should open up in a separate tab. Now, I see here it says learn how to split screen on a Chromebook here. This video is going to show you how you can do it on your Chromebook, but I will also show you right now. All you have to do is separate your tabs, and then you're going to move them to the side of your screen. On the MacBook it looks a little different, but you just have to drag your tab to one side of the screen and then split it on the other side of the screen so that they look like this. And now what you have here is your classwork that is going to basically match exactly with the questions in your answer submission form. This submission form is so that when you're solving the problems on your paper, you can actually submit your answers here and get credit for your classwork. You'll see that the do now questions are the same as what's on the form. And then you're going to have some questions to make sure that you're taking notes. Now, you can either and play it. What you can do is you can screen, or is to just have it open up the actual YouTube video as many times as you need. Oops, sorry. You can watch this video as many times as you need. And what we'll do is, after that's done, you'll just go ahead and complete these practice problems on your paper and put the answers in the submission form. Now, once you've submitted those, you'll be able to see which ones you got right or wrong. And if you don't like your score, you're more than welcome to try it again. Just go back, watch the video, figure out what your mistake is, and then do the work again. That's what you would do in class because you're all super gritty, and then submit it for full credit. I'm just looking to see that you're trying your hardest to follow the model that I gave you in this video. After you're done, you'll see that you can check your work. There's an answer key. You can click on that to check the answers that you've submitted. And you can then log into Elluminate and take an exit ticket. Remember that this all expires at 11:59 tonight. And if you need any help, please call, email, or text me. Okay, bye.